Everything is made of energy. Everything surrounding you holds a frequency, a vibration of its own, and this includes the bond you share with the person who continually fills your thoughts, the person who shows up in your dreams, the person whose name keeps reappearing through the signs and coincidences scattered along your path. This isn't merely a poetic notion. This is a deeper grasp of how energy, awareness, and connection travel through the universe. There are bonds between people that can't always be explained through physical distance, time, or ordinary reasoning. Some connections reach a point where the effect between two people lingers even after they've parted ways. When two people have touched each other deeply, something remains behind. An invisible mark is left. The memories, feelings, and experiences they shared continue living within their energetic fields. Even in silence, even through separation, even when someone tries to convince themselves they've moved on, the connection can still stir ripples felt beneath the surface. Modern science has revealed that connection and interaction can exist in ways that defy what we once thought was possible. Research into quantum entanglement has shown that certain particles, once linked, can continue showing a relationship even across vast distances. This finding has captivated scientists because it hints that reality holds layers we don't fully grasp. Many ancient traditions have expressed similar ideas for generations. They understood that everything is interconnected, that separation isn't always as absolute as it seems, and that energy can affect energy. You and this person may share a bond that exists beyond what the eyes can perceive. Your inner transformation, your emotional growth, your healing, and your evolution can create shifts that impact the dynamic between you two. When you change how you view yourself, when you elevate your awareness, when you align more closely with your own peace, the whole energy surrounding the connection starts to transform. The world around you reacts differently once you begin reacting differently. This is why your personal energy carries so much weight. How you feel about yourself, how you carry yourself, and the beliefs you hold about love and connection all generate a frequency that shapes your experiences. Type "right energy" in the comments below as a reminder that you are awakening to the power within yourself. Let this small gesture represent your readiness to understand your own energy and step into a stronger connection with your reality. The principles behind attraction often seem puzzling because they operate differently from what the rational mind anticipates. Many people assume that the harder they pursue something, the closer it will come. But energy doesn't always respond to force. Sometimes the more desperately we grasp for something, the more resistance we create. When you constantly pursue someone, when you repeatedly seek their attention, when you try to prove your worth, explain your feelings, or convince them to stay, your energy starts sending a message that you need something outside yourself to feel whole. This produces an imbalance. It isn't because you're unworthy. It isn't because your feelings are misplaced. It's because energy naturally seeks equilibrium. When your entire focus centers on another person, you unknowingly hand over your own power. Your happiness becomes tied to their actions, their responses, and their choices. This creates a heavy emotional weight that both people can sense. The person you're fixated on may start feeling pressured even if they can't articulate why. They may feel the burden of expectations, the responsibility of carrying emotions that aren't theirs to bear, and the need to create distance to reclaim their own sense of freedom. This doesn't always mean they don't care. Sometimes distance forms because the energetic balance between two people has grown unhealthy. When one person keeps advancing and the other keeps retreating, the connection falls into a cycle of chase and withdrawal. The more one person reaches out, the more the other feels compelled to pull back. The more one person tries to hold on, the more the other feels the urge to make space. This pattern isn't a punishment, it's a message. It's revealing where your energy has drifted away from yourself. The universe often creates moments like this to remind you that your greatest power has always resided within you. The instant you stop chasing and redirect your attention back to yourself, something starts to shift. When you stop trying to force an outcome, when you stop battling the silence, when you stop craving constant reassurance, you make room for something new to unfold. Energy that was once directed outward starts returning home, and once your energy returns to you, the whole dynamic changes. The absence of your constant attention can become noticeable. The person who once felt your presence daily may suddenly notice the difference when that energy no longer surrounds them. Similarly, people grow accustomed to patterns. They become familiar with certain emotions, certain conversations, and certain kinds of attention. When that pattern abruptly shifts, the subconscious mind takes note. Questions start to surface. They may begin wondering why something feels off. They may begin noticing the quiet where your words once were. They may begin reflecting on moments they had previously brushed aside. The person who was used to being pursued may suddenly become aware of the space you've created. And this is where the dynamic can start to shift. Not because you're trying to manipulate them, not because you're pretending indifference, but because you've reclaimed your own value. When you stop deserting yourself to receive someone else's love, you generate an entirely different energy. You become someone who is whole, grounded, and connected to your own inner strength. And that energy is powerful because genuine attraction doesn't stem from desperation. It stems from alignment. It stems from becoming the version of yourself that no longer needs someone else to make you complete. The connection between you and this person may also be uncovering deeper lessons about yourself. Many relationships function like mirrors, reflecting parts of ourselves we may not have wanted to face. The people who impact us most often bring our buried emotions to the surface. They expose our fears, they expose our insecurities, they expose the places still needing healing. When someone feels distant, it may awaken your fear of abandonment. When someone struggles to commit, it may spotlight the parts of you that doubt whether you're truly worth choosing. When someone creates emotional distance, it may reveal where you've become disconnected from your own sense of security. This isn't about self-blame. It's about awareness. Every profound connection has something to teach you. The point isn't always to control another person or force them into what you want. The point is to understand yourself more deeply through the experience. You can't heal another person by loving them harder. You can't transform someone by endlessly trying to convince them. You can't create change by focusing solely on their actions. The only person you truly have power to transform is yourself. And once you begin healing yourself, everything around you starts responding differently. When you stop searching for them, you start seeing everything through a new lens. The connection no longer governs your emotions the way it once did. Their presence no longer decides your peace. Their absence no longer defines your happiness. This is the moment your energy reclaims its power. The person who once felt your constant attention may start noticing the difference. They may sense something has shifted, even if they can't explain it rationally. They feel that the energy they once received from you no longer reaches them the same way. The person who was always available has become centered within themselves. The person who was always waiting has begun living. The person who was always trying to prove their love has discovered their own worth. This creates a shift in the dynamic. The energy that once flowed in a single direction starts to balance out. They may begin wondering what happened. They may begin questioning why they sense distance where there was once steady connection. It can feel odd for them because the familiar pattern has changed. They were used to your attention. They were used to knowing you were there. They were used to feeling your presence without needing to try. And once that energy grows quiet, they start noticing the space that's been created. This space brings reflection, it brings questions, it brings awareness. For some, this realization sparks a sudden fear of losing something valuable. They start recognizing the worth of what they had. They start remembering the kindness, patience, and love that was given to them. They start seeing qualities they may have overlooked before. They start understanding that the connection they once took for granted was not something ordinary. The love that was once always available is no longer chasing after them. The person who once gave everything freely has redirected that energy back to themselves. And this creates a powerful shift. For others, the attraction stems from a different place entirely. They're not just drawn to the absence, they're drawn to the transformation. They start noticing your confidence. They start sensing your peace. They start feeling the strength that radiates from someone who has healed and grown. There's something deeply magnetic about a person who no longer needs to be chosen because they've already chosen themselves. A person who has found inner steadiness carries a different presence. They don't beg for attention, they don't force connection, they don't need to convince anyone of their worth. Their energy speaks before their words do. This is why your inner work matters so much. This is why your healing shapes the entire connection. When you focus on yourself, you create ripples that extend far beyond what you can immediately see. The biggest shift happens when you stop making another person the source of your happiness and start becoming the source of your own fulfillment. The manifestation process starts with a total shift of focus. Your attention moves away from trying to control another person and returns to building the best version of yourself. You start becoming deeply devoted to your own healing. You start investing in your own happiness. You start building a life that feels meaningful, exciting, and whole, not because you stopped caring about them, but because you started caring about yourself with the same devotion you once gave them. You uncover new passions. You reconnect with dreams you'd forgotten. You spend time doing things that make you feel alive. You build a life so full that one person's absence no longer sits at the center of your existence. They become part of your story, but they're no longer the whole story. This version of you carries an entirely different energy. This version of you is grounded. This version of you is confident. This version of you understands that love is something to share, not something to chase. And this is the version of you that naturally draws healthier relationships and deeper connections. People are naturally pulled toward those who are whole within themselves. They're drawn to confidence. They're drawn to peace. They're drawn to someone who knows their worth without needing constant reassurance from others. The person who once viewed you through the lens of your longing begins to see you through the lens of your strength. They no longer see someone waiting on them. They see someone moving forward. They see someone who has become more powerful, more balanced, and more whole. This is the transformation that changes everything. You don't create a reunion by desperately chasing someone. You create the possibility of reunion by becoming someone deeply connected with themselves. You arrive at a place where their return would bring joy, but their absence wouldn't shatter your peace. You welcome love, but you no longer rely on it for your identity. You desire connection, but you no longer abandon yourself to obtain it. This is the frequency of genuine alignment. This is the energy that allows life to unfold naturally. Quantum physics is often used as a metaphor for the idea that countless possibilities exist until one particular reality becomes your lived experience. In the same way, your beliefs, choices, and emotional patterns shape the direction of your life. Every day you're building your relationship with yourself. Every day you're choosing the energy you carry. Every day you're deciding what kind of future you're ready to receive. There may be many possible roads ahead. One road may lead this person back with a deeper understanding and a renewed capacity to love. Another road may lead you towards someone new, who brings qualities and experiences you never anticipated. Another road may lead you to a deeper realization that the greatest love you were searching for was the love you needed to build within yourself. And every one of these roads can lead to growth. Every one of these roads can lead to happiness. Every one of these roads can bring valuable lessons and beautiful experiences. The most important thing isn't forcing one specific outcome. The most important thing is becoming the version of yourself ready for the love, peace, and abundance you truly desire. When you live from a place of confidence, rather than fear, you align with better possibilities. When you choose yourself, you build a foundation no person can take from you. When you believe you're worthy, your entire reality starts reflecting that belief. The universe doesn't respond to desperation, it responds to the energy you consistently embody. So, choose thoughts that empower you. Choose beliefs that honor you. Choose actions that move you closer to the person you're becoming, because the future you desire isn't created by waiting for someone else to change. It's created by the transformation happening within you right now. The moment you become whole within yourself is the moment everything starts to shift. You stop chasing love. You become the energy of love. You stop searching for your worth. You recognize that your worth was there all along. And from that place of inner power, the right people, the right experiences, and the right opportunities can find their way toward